Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about the August Stone Don. Yeah, about enough time. Papa, as you know, he was killed by the security forces. Recently them bury him. Today I'm going to give another culture video. But no say at the year 2045. Right, you scholar them will finally catch on. But we have to take time, build them up to it. Which part of the culture am I talking about? In an Iron Man, especially in a bad man place, one of the things that youths look up to the Don the most is the way how him bury. Over the years, the most extraordinary funerals in Iron Man can be attributed to the most notorious of individuals. Bury like he's the great king of Zamunda. You might have tell yourself, so well, see them dead. Instead, you them and say, yo, oh man, even a death, they money a general. Because the Don funeral bossy. When the Don a bury, it a swear Nelson Mandela. Remember say Iron Man people full of so much vibes, that's what we make all funeral and death sexy, you know. One of Uncle Sam's policies for them very high on the list targets who them consider enemy of America. It's when Uncle Sam kill them, it's enough time their family don't even get them body. They don't even get a burial place, not even a burial spot. Because Uncle Sam I tell us them don't want them grave to become a shrine, they don't want them funeral to become this big circus and turn make them look like some kind of martyr. Uncle Sam would carry man body go dump it in the sea. Me talk about the highest level of quote-unquote terrorists. Uncle Sam would take them body and dump it in the sea. You not get it. Them don't want the funeral for become another means of making him supporters them group up and all them thing there. Because they understand the power of a bossy funeral. The power of a bossy funeral can motivate similar people. Now obviously I'm not suggesting that Jamaica start dump your favorite Don body in the sea, even though I wouldn't care, but obviously we're not suggesting that. And him still have him family and him friends and who want to see him one last time. But let's be realistic here. Even the way how the Don bury is cool. I'm showing you some video from Papa funeral. The first video, listen to what the man say. Listen to what the man say in the first clip. Okay, say big funeral are going. So say everybody have video and all kind of videos that go on the internet. Watch enough of them. But the first one I'm gonna play stand out to me. Listen to what the man say.
Papa Ting na normal. Papa Ting loud. Buckler, police escort. Police escort, Where's a vehicle in there?
When you catch that, Papa Ting no normal. Papa Ting no normal. Even in death, the Don still get looked at as a general because the Don Ting no normal. You see a police escort. You know much man dead you run here, so. Remember me I give you the culture and mindset now. This is how youths look on it. This is how residents look on it. You know much people dead around here, so. Man, woman, baby, cat and dog dead around here, so. And we no see them type of burial here. And they done. How much police car back, police car front, police car side. No man, them man I think bigger than Nelson Mandela. Real general. It's impressive to the bystander. And when something is impressive, what you want to do? Willie Agat funeral. Bunman funeral, Bolby funeral. These are the most extraordinary funerals in Jamaica. Remember Sir William God funeral, all politicians pass through. Only if you tell youths don't bust gun. The female artist say bad man alone she drop panty. And all the time the bad man dead. I him get the most VIP in funeral. When you think youths now sit down and notice? You think youths now sit down and notice say hold on, when time Carlton dead, we never see them caliber people here pass through. But when William got dead, hold on, who that? No Mar Davis that, no Peter Phillips that. Hold on there. When Jim Brown dead, hold on, who that what so? I can't do. No man, top man a pass through. No man, that must mean say Dan Ting Lord. Dan Ting Lord, dog. You know see what pass through a man thing, dog? Come like the youths them can't wait for dead to get for them own funeral. Scholar guy, you tuning in? Did you know in Ironman culture, I talk about the grimy streets culture, I talk about the underworld culture, and what's even dead and funeral business, bossiness matters? Did you know say people argue over funeral boss? Did you know in Ironman even death is a competition? Did you know people envy each other besides at them funeral? You hear what the man say? Papa thing no normal. Even in death, Papa's standing did not decrease, it increased because these funerals are making these dons look bigger than Nelson Mandela, bigger than Marcus Garvey. Youth in the garrison don't idolize Marcus Garvey, they don't idolize Louis Bennett. They're not brainwashed to look up to their positive heroes. They're brainwashed to think acidity is cool and desirable. Even the dead house part of it cool. Papa think no normal. Do you know much conversation they're gonna have on the corner about that? You think the young future sci-fi now sit down and listen and hear all the bigger people might talk about Papa funeral? You almost can't wait for boss to go and dead to forget Fimon. As crazy as that sound. He might look in your face and tell you, so, well, me go dead anyway, might as well me dead looking bossy. And how me get the bossiest funeral? Which youths get the bossiest funeral in a bad man place? It's not Carlton. It's not the youth them who try to call out the criminals. It's the criminals. The same August town where Papa dead in her. Remember say Odessa Nigel they responsible for August town 876. When Nigel dead, Nigel couldn't get no funeral. Me I tell you why Nigel get a cyber funeral. It's not safe because of the nature of what him do and who him talk about, and them other people him talk about him can't get no funeral. It's not safe. So that means saying the Iron Man, the people them who do the crime get the big bossy funeral, buried like kings. And the people who try call them out, buried like peasants. Nigel never got a proper sending off because it was too risky. Police them can't secure this and them have to dedicate too much resources to secure this. But them dedicate the resources to Papa though. In police friend them come out in numbers though. Police car back, police car front, police car to the side. One must then go down for a submarine, pulled out all the stops for Papa. But Nigel couldn't get a funeral. And couldn't find the resources for secure this and secure that. But them find it for Papa. You hear the man say, Papa think no normal. And even people in Augustown can tell you, police that crack down hard pan funeral, no funeral go on and even tell them give permission and look a bit of people and this and that. Well, they pulled out all the stops for the people who them really care about. And evidently, that is the done. Come on, let's talk here. I said, Augustown 876, founder, Nigel Walford could not be buried because the police them say it's not safe. And them can't dedicate too much resources here and there and you know it's going to be risky. Well, isn't it risky when you are buried Big Dan? What do you think when they got done funeral there's so much police and military personnel? Oh, we're here in case any trouble starts. We need to make sure that, it's safer. We need to, we're watching the place, man. Then couldn't watch it for Nigel, though. But then can watch it for Papa and every other done. What's the man say? Papa thing no normal. So in the Iron Man, you see where the incentive lies. Not in the person who's calling out the Don, but to be the Don. I don't wonder why every youth want bust gun and kill and tell you about poverty. It's the culture and the mindset. In Iron Man, badness is sexy. It's desirable. That's why Rooster them go to C4 and say, yo, call the black dog and tell him, say, yo, we want to go shoot somebody now. Because them was just gun bag at that point. Gun bag thing normal. Even in death. Badness look attractive in Iron Man. Even in death. There is nothing there to make a you think that's not something we want to go. Even in death. The people who call out the badness and talk about the violence, they don't get funerals, they don't get security, they don't get big escort. The people who perpetuate the violence, the death and destruction, that's who they pull out all the stops for. Remember in time Papa dead, me see come out of the papers. Headline news, PNP want answers as to how businessman dead. Go and go look for it if you think I like me, I tell you. But me never seen nobody ask no answers for go on with why a vlogger dead. The PNP representatives in Augusto never want answers as to why a vlogger, Nigel, lose him life. Get too much gunshot. Because that's not their ally. What they done? Them charge you. Partners in crime, literally. Papa thing no normal. Carlton one is. Nigel one was. Iron Man culture make even death look attractive. Even death. Something we must turn off people. Come like it turn them on. Papa thing no normal. No, them are going to tell us, well, we were only there to protect this and we had to make sure this and make sure that. What me say, they couldn't find them same reason there for Nigel. Extraordinary. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you certainly. Bless.